Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick review of the Aerogarden. Let me show you down here. I have the, this is not what I paid, but my husband got me the Aerogarden White Harvest during a Black Friday sale there on Amazon. And I wanted to kind of share with you how it's going. I've had it, I think it was the 20th of November that I started this, and I've been eating off of it and just picking the outer leaves, and it is growing like gangbusters here. So I thought, if I'm going to do a video review of this, and it's up on our dash in our motorhome, I needed to get that review out before I need to harvest the rest of it and start again with it. So if you followed, the configuration is kind of unusual, I guess, traditionally, but if you follow our last, especially the last two videos, you know that we are out in our motorhome right now, and as an avid gardener myself, I try and figure out a way to garden anywhere that I am located. So, and this is just, it's been fun. This was my first experience with the Aerogarden here, and so it came with the machine thing, and then it was a set on Amazon called the Heirloom Salad Greens, and it has 6 different ones. Let me just read those really quickly. It has black seeded Simpson, lettuce deer tongue, lettuce salad, or red sales, marvel of 4 seasons. I don't know what that one is. Rouge, I don't know what that is, but you can see that. And then the Paris Island lettuce, which I love, Paris Island romaine. I'm okay with black seeded Simpson. It's not as crunchy. It's not as crunchy as I like salad to be, but I mean, it's good, and I have been enjoying it. So now that I'm thinking over the last month, of course, the first couple weeks you don't have to add as much water or anything, and it gives you a notification when you need to add water, or every 2 weeks on a cycle you need to add food, and it gives you the food with it. Let me just show you here. I have my replacement. Let me put this. Actually, I think I'm going to go over to the table, but I have a replacement set here that I thought, well, I can start again and then share the process with you guys. So this is what it comes with, instructions, and then these little seed pods are what you start. There's a seed in there, and then you just set this down into, there's holes, and it's very self-explanatory once you see it, but because mine is full of lettuce, I can't actually show it to you. So you just set these in there, and then this is your food. This happens to be Miracle Grow brand. Not my favorite. I prefer to do organic gardening, but nonetheless, that's what they give you. So it's all self-contained, but it's not really cost effective to grow your own lettuce this way. And one of the reasons to grow lettuce or grow gardens is, number one, to know what you're eating, and number two, typically it's to save money, and then of course preserving and things. But so what I looked into was this. They're just replacement pods, and as long as these little plastic things hold up, I can just keep adding it's not dirt, I think it's like coconut coir or something. I'm sorry if I'm not saying that right. It's a new product to me, but inside this bag it has these little spongy things in it, and you can just put your own seed in there, like what I'm thinking about doing now. Well, not now, but the next time I plant, I have spinach, Paris Island romaine, kale, and then arugula or rocket. So I think I'm going to go that route, and I thought some of you might be interested in that, especially if you travel or on the road or anything and you like to garden and have it with you. But even still, you can have it inside. You don't need natural light for it because it does have the LED full spectrum lighting. So you can really, anywhere that there's a plug and some counter space, you can garden. And they also have an herb one with 6 different herbs, or even up to 9, I think. And then even another set that I might try sometime that has like cherry tomatoes and things, which I think would be really neat. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and maybe it'd be helpful. But I just wanted to say again that if you want to garden, you can do it pretty much anywhere. So I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.